Good evening, Pinellas County. These are the dogs in the 200 overflow building. Our adoptions are full, and so the dogs that need to go into adoptions go into our 200 building until there's available space in our adoptions. So let me turn the corner and share with you who we have. This is Mimi. She's 10 months old and in room 201. You're a cutie patootie. This is Dorothy. Dorothy just had puppies, but at least she came in looking like she had puppies. Big stretch. She's 3 years old. Heartworm negative in 202. Oh, look at this handsome guy. This is Roxy. Roxy's a senior. Our seniors are $20. She's 8 years old in 203. Bravo in 204. He was an ISO, and now he's back. He's only 5 months old. He's a Shepherd mix in 204. In 205, conked out for the night is Ethel, 10 months. Let's see your face. Oh, look at your face. Big stretch. Big stretch. This handsome boy is Ephraim. His original name was 13. He's only 2 years old. He's got really great ears. In 206 and 207, handsome Jed. You're a handsome boy. 3 years old, 67 pounds. This little vocal one is 3 years old. And in kennel, I'm going to stop jumping around. In kennel 208, this is Wolf Borford. In 209, a 2-year-old male. So far, everybody on this row is heartworm positive. This cutie patootie, it's a dachshund pit mix. I gotta get the side. It's got the little face of a pitty, and it's got the body of a doxie. Its name's Gotti. A little shy, but as cute as can be. The first 2 cages in surgery. This is Callie. She knows how to sit. Hi, Callie. A Shepherd mix. Another senior. That's $7. $20 for the senior. This handsome boy just came in. This is Draco. A Mastiff mix. Oh, yes. Another senior, $20. Our adult dogs are $25 and our puppies are $40. This is Oreo. 2 years old. You're handsome. And the last one in the 200 building is Speckles. Speckles has been here before. 3 years old, 47 pounds, in 218. You tell them, Speckles, you want to be adopted. So please come to Pinellas County Animal Services and adopt your next forever pet. We're loaded to the gills with dogs, and so we would like you to come. We're at 12450 Ulmerton Road. We're open from 9 to 6. We've got lots of dogs, so come and adopt your next friend. They'll love you unconditionally.